Congratulations, son.
Thank you.
You're number one. You're number one. I was sleeping. They kept getting my notifications. And when I looked, you was like 79 and it comes in and like I'm so happy for you, baby. You work so hard. And you
Yes,
deserve
sir.
this so much. And we be watching and we so proud of you. Everybody, baby, I love you so much. Baby, I'm so proud of you. You're number one. And you're my son. And I'm so happy to be your mom. And I just want to let the world know that you've been working hard like this for a long time. So everybody now knows you're just finding out on some hard. He's a grinder every day. Every